Guys, it's Jan, Not a Real Farm. So, take a look at that nice blue smoke coming out of the stove. And actually, it's something you don't want to see coming from your stove, from a wood boiler, because the blue smoke indicates I just got photobombed. The stove is actually going out. Let's take a look. So what happened with the stove?
This is take two.
Take two?
What happened with the stove?
Yes.
It's just low on wood.
Low on wood?
That's my prediction because it's blowing blue smoke.
Blowing blue smoke.
So we'll see how incorrect.
Oh.
Oh yeah, it's low.
Yeah. And smoky.
No. But the smoke is really blue. And I notice that every time it's low, it's really blue.
There's not much wood left in there, is there?
I don't have a poker stick to get my...
But that's a really good indication to let you know that it's really low.
So in the next few days, I guess we'll have to clean it, let it go low one day.
Yeah.
And
See,
clean
guys.
it out. So maybe when it's mild, don't touch it.
Maybe Wednesday.
I didn't want you to touch
Yeah, the door is icky.
the door, the yucky door.
Yeah. So you see, guys, we really don't have a lot of wood left in there, so fill her up.
Uh-oh.
Too long?
Did we cut that one too long?
Yep.
That sucks.
Ooh, it's nice and toasty. Don't breathe in!
This is where a gasification unit is better.
Yep.
Because a gasification unit,
Not as smoky.
well, it won't be as smoky, it burns a lot cleaner. And it's got a fan that sucks the smoke out.
Oh, I see. Mm-hmm.
And I cut the logs too long.
Uh-oh.
Experimenting with
Oh yeah, she's smoking now. It's freezing out here, guys. Freezing. Mm-hmm. Ah. Filling her right up, eh?
right to the top.
Right to the top.
Then what we should do, come tomorrow night at the same time.
Yep. And take a look.
See where it's at.
See how much it burned down.
That's a lot of wood. It's a
Wow.
hungry hippo.
Yeah, look at the smoke.
There was a pig the other day, now it's a hungry hippo.
There we go. So we're back to the white pluming, which is good. But the blue smoke was an indication that we were basically on a bed of coals, and that's it. So just a good indicator or something for you to watch out for your own stoves. That's it for us today, guys. Thanks for joining us at minus 30-degree weather. See you soon.